In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out of your Bumble account. If you need to sign out of Bumble, the process is quick and straightforward. This can be useful if you're switching accounts, letting someone else use your device, or simply wanting to make sure your account is no longer open on your phone. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along without any confusion. Start by opening the Bumble app on your mobile device and logging into your account if you aren't already signed in. Once you're inside the app, look for your profile icon and tap on it to open your profile page. This is where you'll find access to your personal account options and settings. From your profile page, tap the settings icon in the top corner of the screen. Depending on your device, the layout may look slightly different, but the settings area is typically easy to spot. After you open it, you'll be taken to the page where Bumble keeps your account preferences and app controls. Now scroll all the way down to the bottom of the settings page. Take your time here because the option you need is usually placed near the end. As you reach the lower section, look for the logout option and tap it. After that, Bumble may ask you to confirm that you want to log out. If you see that prompt, go ahead and confirm your choice. This extra confirmation helps prevent accidental signouts, especially if you tap the option by mistake. Once confirmed, wait a few moments while Bumble signs you out of your account. In most cases, this only takes a short time. During this step, it's best to let the app finish the process without closing it so the logout completes properly. When it's done, you'll be returned to the login screen. That's how you'll know the sign out was successful. From there, you can sign in again later or log in with a different account if needed. And that's all it takes to log out of Bumble. As a quick tip, if you're using a shared device, always make sure you fully return to the login screen before handing the phone to someone else. That way, your account stays secure and your information remains private.